Hey everyone, welcome back to Motor Minded. Welcome to our exclusive walk-around of the highly anticipated 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Already a benchmark for luxury, this facelift Sonderklasse elevates comfort, technology, and performance to new heights. The 2026 facelift brings notable yet sophisticated updates. Up front, the grille is larger and sits lower, flanked by redesigned bumpers and air intakes, giving the S-Class a bolder, more authoritative presence. Spy shots reveal this elevated front styling. The LED headlights now feature an elegant star-inspired graphic for both daytime running lights and turn indicators, a motif mirrored in the taillights for visual continuity. The rear end sees subtle revisions, updated light signatures and a refreshed bumper, nothing drastic, yet uplifting. Inside, the S-Class reaches new levels of digital opulence. At the heart of the cabin is the famous MBUX hyperscreen. A sweeping 56-inch, tri-display panel spanning from driver to passenger, drawing inspiration from the EQS electric sedan. Still present are physical buttons for essential controls like hazards, volume, and drive modes, offering a seamless blend of tactile familiarity and digital elegance. Safety and autonomy have also evolved. The Drive Pilot system, Mercedes-Benz Level 3 autonomous driving feature, is now capable of handling speeds up to 95 km per hour, 59 miles per hour on German highways, a small but meaningful leap in usability. The update includes new cameras and sensor integration, notably on the front fenders, to support advanced driver assistance functions. Infotainment sees a huge upgrade. ChatGPT-powered voice assistance, via Microsoft Azure OpenAI, high-resolution Google Satellite View maps, and enhanced rear seat entertainment through YouTube and Sony's Rendezvous streaming app, perfect for passenger relaxation. Customization has never been more luxurious, thanks to the manufacturer program. Buyers now have over 50 new exterior colors and 25 interior designs, complete with handcrafted textiles, premium leathers, and wood inlays available directly from the Sindelfingen factory. For a finishing touch of exclusivity, there's the S-Class edition with ingredients like AMG line or night package styling, Burmester 3D surround audio, and digital insignia within the infotainment system. Under the hood, the 2026 S-Class facelift retains several proven powertrains, while introducing more electrified options to meet evolving regulations and market demand. 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six with mild hybrid EQ boost, around 442 horsepower. Performance remains a core, offering 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, delivering approximately 496 horsepower, ensuring potent acceleration. Maybach V12 continues to serve markets demanding the ultimate in smoothness and prestige, with 621 horsepower beyond specs. The 2026 facelift serves a strategic role. Mercedes-Benz has substantially increased its investment in combustion engine R&D, allocating €14 billion to ensure these engines remain competitive well into the next decade, even amid EV transition. This suggests that for luxury customers, refinement matters just as much as innovation. The S-Class facelift is part of a broader rollout that includes refreshed combustion models, new E-models, and electrified variants. Mercedes is intentionally balancing product mix to maintain margins and adaptability. The refreshed S-Class is expected to debut late 2025 or early 2026 for global markets, with certain regions, especially the US, receiving it as a 2026 model year. The LED headlights now feature an elegant star-inspired graphic for both daytime running lights and turn indicators, a motif mirrored in the taillights for visual continuity. Stay tuned as we bring you full coverage when Mercedes officially unveils the new S-Class. Until then, let us know what excites you most about this upcoming legend.